Hey people, this is Frowick of Frowick Art and Design. Just wanted to give you a little look into some designer art toys that I have coming up. This one in particular, I call it I Love Lupi. You can hear the theme song. It has a nice little track to it. This is, inspired obviously by what it's inspired by. I can't really say it because I don't want to get in trouble, but this is one of my favorite pieces in my collection. We will be doing pre-orders. It's about 5 or 6 inches tall. It's a beautiful, beautiful black and white nostalgic piece. Really, to give cadence to the old style of back in the day in the 50s and 60s. So check it out. Tell me what you think. If you're interested in purchasing or helping out with this, please like and subscribe. Send us a note. The more people that subscribe, the quicker I can get this toy out to everybody. All right, so enjoy.
Born in a box, wrapped in cellophane dreams, glossy like secrets, stitched up at the seams. Lupi's got a story, whispers in the grain, paint chip edges, but the soul remains. A relic from a shelf where time don't breathe. Our toy royalty, a throne of belief. Hands that molded, love that stayed. A silent ambassador, the past replayed. I love Lupi, cracked but steady, a time machine, always ready. Vinyl heart, stitched so true, a piece of them in the now brand new. The now brand new. Shelf life eternal, no tags, no barcoding. Vintage or a gold dust in its soul. Eyes like portals, staring through the haze. Carved in the quiet of some yesteryear's maze. Not a toy, a talisman, a crafted creed. Holds the weight of hands and the love they bleed. Collectors bow, but they'll never own. Lupi's a legend, carved in stone. I love Lupi, cracked but steady, a time machine, always ready. Vinyl heart, stitched so true, a piece of them in the now brand new. The now brand new. Born in a box, wrapped in cellophane dreams, glossy like secrets, stitched up at the seams. Lupi's got a story, whispers in the grain, paint chip edges, but the soul remains. A relic from a shelf where time don't breathe. Our toy royalty, a throne of belief. Hands that molded, love that stayed. A silent ambassador, the past replayed. I love Lupi, cracked but steady, a time machine, always ready. Vinyl heart, stitched so true, a piece of them in the now brand new. Yeah, shelf life eternal, no tags, no barcode. Vintage aura, gold dust in its soul. Eyes like portals, staring through the haze. Carved in the quiet of some yesteryear's maze. Not a toy, a talisman, a crafted creed. Holds the weight of hands and the love they bleed. Collectors bow, but they'll never own. Lupi's a legend, carved in stone. I love Lupi, cracked but steady, a time machine, always ready. Vinyl heart, stitched so true, a piece of them in the now brand new. Born in a box, wrapped in cellophane dreams. Glossy like secret, stitched up at the seams. Lupi's got a story, whispers in the grain. Paint chip edges, but the soul remains. A relic from a shelf where time don't breathe. Art toy royalty, a throne of belief. Hands that molded, love that stayed. A silent ambassador, the past replayed. I love Lupi, crack but steady. A time machine, always ready. Vinyl hard, stitch so true. A piece of then in the now, brand new. Yeah, shelf life eternal, no tags, no barcode. Vintage aura, gold dust in its soul. Eyes like portals, staring through the haze. Carved in the quiet of some yesteryear's maze. Not a toy, a talisman, a crafted creed. Holds the weight of hands and the love they bleed. Collectors bow, but they'll never own. Lupi's a legend, carved in stone. I love Lupi, cracked but steady. A time machine, oh